Smart Learning Foreign Language. Bonjour everyone. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your friendly space to learn French the easy and fun way. In today's video lesson, we are going to learn one very common and useful French verb se lever, which means to get up in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners and school students following CBSE or ICSE syllabus. Make sure to watch till the end for helpful tips, live examples, and bonus resources in the description below. Now, let's dive into the lesson on se lever. This verb is very handy in everyday conversations. We will go through its conjugation, usage, and some practical examples to help you understand it better. The verb se lever means to get up, as in getting up in the morning or standing up from a chair. But wait, it's a reflexive verb, which means it's used with reflexive pronouns like me, ti, si, nous, vous, si. Let's understand this step by step. Don't worry, it's easy. Let's see how to say I get up, you get up, etc. in French. We'll also include the English meaning to make it simple. Je me lève, I get up. Tu te lèves, you get up, informal. Il, elle, on se lève, he, she. One gets up, nous nous levons, we get up, vous vous levez, you get up, formal or plural. Il, elle se lève, they get up. Note the accent on the e enlève. That happens in all forms except nous and vous. Let's look at some live examples to understand how to use se lever in daily sentences. Je me lève à 6 heures du matin. I get up at 6 in the morning. Tu te lèves tard le dimanche. You get up late on Sundays. Nous nous levons pour l'école. We get up for school. Elle se lève pour aller au travail. She gets up to go to work. Try repeating these sentences after me for practice. Here's a quick tip. If a verb starts with se, it's reflexive. Always pair it with the correct reflexive pronoun, me, ti, si, nous, vous, si. Well, that's a wrap for today's lesson. But before we go, here's a little bonus for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using what you've learned. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time. Don't forget, if you're enjoying this lesson and want more French made simple, subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. Like the video, share it with your friends, and comment below if you want lessons on other verbs or topics. Make sure to check the description below for the best collection of French learning books, grammar guides and dictionaries at huge discounted prices. Our special French Communicative course is also available. And don't miss out on our self-guidance e-guide for CBSE and ICSE school students. It's designed to help you score high in exams. Contact details are also in the description, so feel free to reach out for help or recommendations. Now as we wrap things up, thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next fun French lesson. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Learn French with ease.